To power off your Motorola Moto G86 5G without touching your screen, first of all you will need to click and hold the power button right here and volume up button right here at the same time. Those two buttons first. Hold them until your screen turns dark, and then after it's dark it will reboot your device. I'm explaining this, but I will show you as well. Then you will see your Motorola boot screen, so all you have to do next is hold the power button and volume down button at the same time, which will activate bootloader, and after that I will show you everything. So now we're gonna press power button, volume up button together and hold them until our device powers off. When the screen turns dark, you will see Hello Moto. Now click and hold power button and volume down button at the same time, these two buttons. Okay, so here we have our bootloader, and what we need to do is use the volume down, volume up button to navigate, and we want to find power off. Now click the power button to power off your device, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.